Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lindy Sherris, and on this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, wealth creation, and building multiple sources of income. If that sounds like something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe and let's get into today's video. Before we begin, I want to let you know that one of the investment platforms I personally use is Franc Investment. It's where I am investing for myself, my kids, to build long-term wealth. If you would like to start your own investment journey, I've left my Franc referral link in my video description. You can just create your account today and start depositing today, and you can start from as little as 50 rand. Now, what is wealth? Most people hear the word wealth, they think of expensive cars, luxury homes, or millions of rands in the bank, but that's not what wealth really means. Wealth is the total value of everything you own minus everything you owe. This is called your net worth. Net worth is actually equals to assets minus debt. Assets include things like your cash, shares and ETFs, property, bonds, commodities like gold, and then debt will include things like your home loan, car finance, credit cards, personal loans. You can build wealth by investing for income generation. One way to build wealth is through income generating investment. These investments pay you money while you own them. Example will include interest from a savings or money market fund, dividends from shares and ETFs, rental income from a property. You own the property and you will get money from them. This is often called passive income because your money keeps working even when you are sleeping and not actively working. One of the smartest things you can do is to reinvest that income instead of spending it. That's how compound interest works. You can earn returns on your original investment and on your returns you've already earned. Over time, your money grows faster. For example, you can start with 1,000 rand, but after 5 years, that 1,000 rand will grow. Let's say you invest 1,000 rand, and then maybe after 5 years, you now have 1,200 rand. When you reinvest that money again, the interest is no longer paid on that 1,000 rand only. It is now paid on 1,200. So meaning you will get even more because of compound interest. Another way to build wealth is through capital growth. Capital growth happens when an investment increases in value over time. For example, if you buy a property for 1 million and later sells it for 1.5 million, the 500,000 rand increase, it is your capital growth. Unlike a savings account, investment with a capital growth can also decrease in value, especially in a short term. That's why investing is a long-term journey. Some investment can offer both capital growth and also income. Example will include a property which can increase in value and generate rental income. Shares and ETFs which can grow in price while paying dividends. These investments allow you to benefit from both increasing asset value and also get regular income. So the key takeaways here is net worth is the best way to measure your wealth. It's the total value of all your assets minus all your outstanding debts. Every investor's goal is to preserve wealth and grow it over time. You can build wealth in two main ways: by reinvesting your income and your investment generated by owning assets that increase in value over time through capital growth. Some of the best investments like your shares, ETF, and property can provide both income and also capital growth, helping you build wealth even faster. Now that you know what is wealth, let me just show you quickly how to get started on Franc Investment, and also I'll show you some of the products that they have. So you can click the link below and then you'll be able to go to App Store, and then when you get to App Store you'll be able to download. So if you directly go to App Store, you can just enter my code Lindy Ngobe, and then after you create your account, so can you see as it opens, create an account and you'll enter your details. After entering your details, it will take you to your salary, how you're getting the money, and then what are your monthly costs, and then it will recommend if you are a safe person to invest, and then you'll need to verify your email. You will get that on your email, and then you need to identify to verify your identity. So your cell phone number, you enter, you get a code, and then you are in. And after you upload your ID, so you can also send an email to their email address. So I took a copy of mine and upload it, and then you enter your address. After entering your address, the verification will be pending. So it only took 5 minutes for me to be verified. You will get an email like this confirming that you are verified. So the next thing that we're going to do is to now see all the products. So you see there's personal goals, there's Satris 40 ETFs, there's also a chart account I created for my chart, and then you can see fees. So now let's invest on my emergency. So I selected emergency, and then now I am going to deposit the money. So it will actually connect to your bank account. So you can also do an EFT. So I enter the amount that I want. So I do have a full video that will go slow and show you everything like this. So you can just search for Franc. So it will ask you, where did you get the money? Then you specify that, and then it will connect to your bank. And then the next thing, your money will be deposited into Franc account immediately, instantly actually. And then now when you see this message, just go and open your app and confirm the transaction. So this is what I am doing now. So after doing this, it will directly take you back to Franc, or you can click return to Franc stock fail. So now we are done. The money should be in my account. So this is the money. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with someone who might want to start building wealth. Remember, if you'd like to start investing with Franc like I do for myself and my kid, you'll find my referral link in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.